Okay, so here's a lab exercise for you to do on your own, and then make a quick little printout from whatever printer you have available and bring it into the next lab session. If you need to, you can print it out on the computer labs here in College Park. But essentially, you're going to open up the Jason Kendall picture, which hopefully you have already downloaded. You will use a selection tool or numerous tools, the lasso is most likely, to select him. Now you're going to select him. I'm just going to do his head for right now. But what you want to do is select all of him and his surfboard too. And you're going to inverse the selection. And with that inverse, you're going to delete the background. Now I'm hitting the delete key. And what delete key does actually is fills that space with something else. We haven't talked about that yet, but I'll just leave it as white for now. Click OK, and now you have basically whatever you should have Jason and his surfboard and nothing else. Then you're going to use the rubber stamp or the clone tool to cover up the lettering on his hat. We want to get rid of that letter P up there. This is branding, we can't use that. And then you're going to resize the image to 5 inches at the long dimension. Then you print it, write your name on it, turn it in. What you're going to be evaluated on is the quality of your selections. Do you have good edges? Did you get the letter P removed? Did you inverse it? Did you delete all that stuff? The exercise should take 10, 15 minutes, no more than half an hour, and it is all based on repetition of everything we've done so far. So it's not something to sweat over. But do take your time, use it to practice, because this is important stuff. All right, we'll see you at the next lab. Bye.